Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In this vlog we're going to be cleaning. It is Sunday and I don't know about you, but on Sundays I like to clean and organize and just get everything ready for the start of the week. Right now I am getting all of the laundry and I'm just putting all the whites in. I use Clorox and also just a little bit of regular laundry detergent whenever I wash my whites. Leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know, do you just use Clorox or do you also use detergent when you wash your whites? For Paris and I, we have to use all free and clear because I have eczema and she does too. We just have really sensitive, problematic skin, so we just use all free and clear because that's what's best for our skin. So I just recently got this new GE washer and dryer and I absolutely love it. It makes washing my clothes so much easier. Now I'm moving on into the kitchen. I'm just doing basic stuff, unloading the dishwasher, and then I'm going to tackle that big pile of dishes in the sink that you see over there. Let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see an organization of my cabinets. I've said before in previous vlogs that this apartment is just a lot smaller than the last apartment that we used to live in, so I really don't have storage space for our food and for all of the dishes and stuff that we have. But if that's something you would like to see, just comment down below. Is anybody else weird like me? But I wash my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. I think that the dishwasher is just for disinfecting, not to actually wash your dishes. So I do hand wash my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. So now I'm about to use these Brillo pads, which you can find pretty much anywhere. I think I got these at the Dollar General, but as you can see, my pots and pans have like residue on them from when I used to have gas stoves at my old apartment, and so my pots and pans really aren't that old. My mom and dad just purchased these for me as a gift for Christmas last year, and so I haven't even had them a year and they already looked horrible and I was ready to get rid of them. And my mom was like, no, don't get rid of them. We just bought those for you. They're really good pots and pans. Just take a Brillo pad to them. So that's what I've done. And as you can see, they look brand new. You don't Now we're moving on into the living room. As you can see, this is Paris's domain. This is really where she spends most of her time. I don't even know why I have a 2-bedroom because she doesn't even use her bedroom. It's pretty much just like storage for her toys. But I'm just straightening up in here. I just recently got my couch when we moved here in July. It is from Big Lots. I will put a link below. It's their Broyhill furniture line, and I absolutely love it. Our sectional that we had before just was not comfortable at all, and I never wanted to sit out in the living room with her. But now that we have this, it's almost like a bed slash couch because it's so big. You can fit so many people on it, and it is so comfortable. I'll put the link below. So I'm just taking my little vacuum cleaner. It can be converted into like a handheld or a regular vacuum, but I just put an attachment on it and I am vacuuming the cushions and the inside of the couch because if you have kids, or even if you don't, you know that stuff can get stuck in there. And because this is a newer couch, I want to take good care of it and just make sure I do this once a week. And then every week, due to certain circumstances, I like to spray my furniture down with Lysol spray. And I also spray the pillows down too. This just lets me know that I'm disinfecting and that if anyone does come over to our house, they don't have to worry. We are keeping our space clean. Even though we're not having a lot of company right now, I still like to spray everything down with Lysol. I would just love to say how much I love my vacuum cleaner. I bought this one recently as well. It's a handheld vacuum cleaner. It was literally like $100 on Amazon, and it's just so convenient for having hardwood floors. And I also love my Shark mop. I've had this one for a while. I think I bought it for myself as like a Mother's Day gift, but I really love steam mopping the floors, especially because our last 2 apartments have had the laminate flooring, so it's just an easier way to clean up, and you don't have to worry about getting your hands dirty with a regular mop. And I would just like to put out a disclaimer. Y'all, I do not do anything to myself on the weekends unless we're going somewhere. This day, we were not going anywhere. I had done a wedding all day the day before, so I was exhausted. We just slept in, and I just put on my waist trainer while I was working around the house. Figured might as well get fine while you're cleaning house, right? Hashtag mom life. Now I'm just going to take some Windex and wipe down my glass TV stand. I love the mirrored furniture, but I will say it does get dirty pretty easily. So you want to keep like some glass cleaner or some Windex on deck. Next, I just sprayed everything down with the Febreze apple cinnamon scent. And here you have it, my clean living room. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye beauties.